Hey guys, we are at Sleepy Hollow RV Park in Wall, South Dakota. And yeah, Wall has the infamous Wall drug here. But yeah, let me show you this campground. It's really nice campground if you happen to be going down I-90 and near the Badlands area. Yeah, if you're not going to go boondock on the Wall, then this might be a good option to do it, especially if it's hot so you can run your air conditioner. Okay, here's our site. We're in site number 30, and just to give you an idea, I'll show you some of the other sites. They're all pull-through. We are just in a water electric site, 30 amp electrical. You have your choice, so you can get 50 amp electrical water, or you can get 50 amp full hookup also. And there is an RV dump station here also. But yeah, this is it. And they're in these rows like this, and you can see all the pull-throughs that you can just go through. It gives you an idea. There is also tent camping here, and there's also dry camping for your RV if you want that too. So they have everything here as far as options for camping. Over there is the tent area. There's a big loop over there where you can go tent camping. So yeah, it's pretty neat. They got a little pond here, but actually the mosquitoes weren't too bad. It's probably because we had fair amount of wind blowing all the time. Over in there they have a real large dog park that's available to use. And then as you can see, there's a lot of dog walking area. This is a great place to have a dog. A lot of dog walking. You can walk back, you can go back that way, and it goes around the other side of the pond, and then comes back through there too if you want to do a nice long walk. So, and there is a little train action here over by these silos. I don't know if they're loading grain on and off or what, but yeah, every once in a while you get a little train there, but not too bad. And as you can see, here's the back side of the trailer there, and right into the other person's area. So yeah, you can see it's a little crowded, but it's not bad. Yeah, so we've had people there, and it's really not too bad. One thing I will say is there's also the facilities here are really nice. They got restrooms, and the showers are free. They also have a laundromat there, and it's like $2.75 to wash and $1.25 to dry it at the time we were here. So yeah, but the only thing is it's at the front of the campground, so if you're back here like we were, it's a little bit of a walk, but not too bad. Get your exercise in the morning. Okay, well, looks like somebody's got a new type of RV here. Yeah, looks like it might go both land and water there. Pretty neat. Today we are headed south out of Wall on Highway 240, headed to Badlands National Park. We're going to go enter through the Pinnacles entrance. And of course I'll have to stop and take a picture of the Badlands sign, and while we were there was a lone buffalo out there, so I got a picture of him too. Our first stop is the Pinnacles Overlook, and we'll take a little hike down there and look from those viewing areas and get a closer look. As we continue our drive on the Badlands Loop Road, I've included some dash cam video to show you what the scenery looks like on this road. And we're headed to our next stop, which is the Yellow Mounds Overlook. And here we are at the Yellow Mounds Overlook. So, kind of show you what these yellow mounds look like. Actually, a trail that wanders out there if you want to walk on that, and a little buffalo down there. As we head down the Loop Road, we are headed towards our next stop, the Fossil Exhibit Trail. It's a boardwalk loop trail that has fossil replicas and exhibits of extinct creatures that once roamed the Badlands area. We are on our way out of the park now. We got a few miles to go, but I took some clips from the dash cam so I just showed you some of the scenery. We also made a stop at the visitor center to get our passport book stamped and look at some of the exhibits they had there, and it's well worth a stop there. Then we continued north to exit the park through the northeast entrance. After leaving the park, we noticed on our map something called the Prairie Homestead. Checking our vacation guide, we see that it's kind of like a little museum with an interpretive walking tour of a 1909 original sod home. So we decided to make a stop and see what was there, and come to find out they had something unique. They had some white prairie dogs. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video and hit the subscribe button so you can follow along on our journeys.